Today, we're building something special. First off, I'd like to wish everybody a happy holiday and happy holidays for whatever it is you celebrate. I want to build an AI Christmas card generator, and we're going to use Google's AI Studio and then the power of Nano Banana. Without squirrel ado, let's build. All right, so as you can see here, we have Google AI Studio open, and we're just going to talk to it with WhisperFlow raw. Let's get rolling here. All right, I'd like to build an AI Christmas card generator. I'd like to use the power of Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro if we need to. And then I would also like a feature that allows the user to animate the Christmas card using Veo 3. The front end should be simple. It should have, let's say, 3 templates to choose from, and then options or input text fields to input, who it's to, who it's from, and then a personalized message. Let's make sure that this web app is easy to use and harnesses the power of Google's AI suite of tools. And I think that's a great place to start. So let me copy this prompt so I can make sure we put it in the YouTube description below. If you do want to copy paste this prompt. All right, in one little fix, I had to cancel that build because we were using Gemini 3 Flash. Gemini 3 Pro will give us less errors and give us the final output quicker. So for the sake of today's demonstration, we are using Gemini 3 Pro Preview. But stay tuned, because right after this video, I'm going to record another video where we test the capabilities of Gemini 3 Flash, but that's not going to launch and that's not going to go live until next week. So make sure you subscribe and follow along so you don't miss when we post that video. All right. So Google's going to get to work here. All right. That took about 2 minutes. Not bad, not bad. Now, I do love the simplicity of this, right? Of course, if this were to be a SaaS product, you would obviously include that. Clearmud here, go to our test, and let's hit OK. Okay. Wow. Okay. So, to Mom from Marcelo. Wishing you a happy holiday. Thanks for being the best mom a kid could ask for. All right, let's see what it does here. Classic Christmas. Let's generate. I love the red and green kind of alternating loading there. That is pretty cool. Okay. So, ooh, bring to life with Veo. Interesting. Let's first go to Winter Wonderland. And there's already a few changes we want to vibe with this. But this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Wishing you a happy holiday. Love it. Okay. And let's go to Cozy Cabin. One thing I'm noticing is the text kind of overlays with part of the background image. So, okay. All right, I'm noticing with our generations that the text does not fit into, like, for example, Cozy Cabin has what looks like a poster in the background. I feel like the text should properly be formatted on those kind of elements in the generation. And I'd also like to ask, are we using Nano Banana Pro to generate this? Or are we using Nano Banana and then adding in our layer of text on top? And then there should also be a to and from little kind of like section on the bottom. That way it doesn't get lost in the image that's generated. I also want to make sure that, we're not using Nano Banana Pro if we don't have to, right? Because that costs more money for me and the user. All right, I think this is a good place to start with the just quite little change here. Before I animate, I do want to fix how the text gets placed on the generated image. And then if a user in a session generates all three, they should be able to go back and view, the classic Christmas, the winter wonderland, the cozy cabin. Right now, you can't toggle back to view that generated image. Okay, that's going to be one other thing we're going to vibe into there as well. And then I'm going to add that in there while it was working that way. It could finish all of these tasks at once for us for this next preview. But yeah, this is a fun gift idea. Let's say your family is scattered throughout the world and, sending them this little digital Christmas card or, whatever the holiday is, whatever holiday you celebrate, fill in the blank, right? Replace it with Christmas. Yeah, just a fun way to send some love and let somebody know that you care about, that you're thinking of them. And I thought, what more fitting of a day to do this type of demonstration than today? So. Okay, much better. I wish that it would fit in. So we're going to screenshot this just because I really want to try to get that message across. All right, and then let's go to generate card. Oh, nice. It creates a filter view here that you can then go and kind of toggle between. And it's pretty generic. This one is much better, right? This one's fitting, right? Because there was no kind of like built-in card stock in the background. Love that. Absolutely love that. Really, that's, oh, this one's great too. Okay, it's getting there. It's getting there. Um, let's test the Veo button. I'm curious if it works. Let's bring it to life. Oh, look at that. I love it. Oh, that's so great. Okay. Okay. Let's bring this to life too. I'm curious to see what it does. Wow, I'm really loving the Winter Wonderland already out the gate. Wonderful. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that is so cool. Okay. All right. We just have one note, right? One note to give is the classic Christmas. Okay. I love the Winter Wonderland, love the cozy cabin generations. I love bringing it to life with Veo. Exceeded my expectations. But for classic Christmas, it created this like cardstock background. I think it should be a classic Christmas photo generation, because bringing this to life won't do anything with it, right? Let's improve the prompt for the generation on classic Christmas. Winter Wonderland and Cozy Cabin are perfect as is. And this is what I do when I'm vibe coding. I just talk to it real time. I don't try to get too technical. There's a time and a place for getting technical. I think if you're trying to one-shot something or build something very complex in as little prompts as possible, then yes, you do your research, you get as technical and comprehensive with your terminology as you can. But for something like this is a fun thing that we're building for the holidays. Let's just vibe while we build it. Okay. So we're going to do this one more time and let's see how it does. To improve classic Christmas template, I will update generation prompt to explicitly request a photorealistic cinematic shot rather than a card background. Wonderful. Oh, how cool. Now let's bring it to life. I'm just curious. Let's generate this again. Very similar theme. Great. Loving it. kept those elements with the fireplace and that. So we already know that those are solid. Let's now bring this one to life. And I would imagine it does some type of pan around the ornaments and Christmas tree. And I think, right, the next steps with this, if you were to turn it into a SaaS product that you launch just for the holidays, right, you would want to incorporate some type of email functionality, right? And then obviously a paid model to where you can generate, 50 for X amount. And then if you want video generation, that's an additional X per batch, right? But we're not doing that today. Today is all about having fun, keeping it light. So I hope everyone is enjoying their time with their family. And if you're not with family, I hope you're enjoying your time with yourself. Okay. It did some sparkling. I'm not mad at it. It's great. I think it's a nice touch. So I hope you've learned something today. I hope you found some value in this video. We just used the power of Google's AI Studio and built something fun, and we did it in less than 20 minutes. I mean, it's amazing. If you have an idea, if you have a thought, pop open aistudio.google.com and just build it. Have some fun. Now, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video around a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.